Hi JH lovers, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're a return subscriber, you're welcome. Thank you for listening in. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can, make this beaded bubble gown as you can see on the screen. And if you're just seeing this page, you're welcome. Kindly please subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment below where you're watching this video from. So yeah, let's get into it. This is the bubble gum I'm already working with. If you watch most of my videos on this page, you will know I make a lot of Bubu tutorials and even the sleeve, bishop sleeve. So this is a Bubu I'm already working on. So I just wanted to show you all the parts where you need to know how you can, make one for yourself. As you can see, I already whipped this front line. I don't know if you can see this. I already make a serge stitch around that area. So likewise the armhole, as you can see. So here is the neckline for the back. So what I did is I went down from the shoulder line downwards by 4 inches. You can go down if you want. Here is the down part. As you can see, I already made the gown. So basically, I will just be showing you how you can go about with the neck and the beading part. So here is the pattern from what I cut from the neck, from the shoulder line downwards to the chest line. So here is the fabric right now. As you can see, I will place this on it now so you understand better. The neckline is for corner, not is a square shape, not round cutting. So as you can see, so now take this pattern paper right here, and then I'll be using it to cut out the mesh I'm going to be using, and make sure whatever net you're going to be using matches with your skin or with your client's skin. So I'll be using this mesh. So what I will do is I will turn this into two. I'll fold it. I'll be cutting it on fold like so, and the folded area will be on the direction towards your chest line, while the other open area will be going towards the armhole area whereby you'll be stitching your sleeve in. So I'm cutting it out now. As you can see, just make sure you cut it properly with your pattern. So I'll be cutting another of this, which will gives it, which makes it two. Sure you understand? So now I'll fold the mesh again. This net is a very high quality one, as you can see. So and it matches with my skin and that of my client's skin. So I will cut out this again on fold, just like I did for the first one. So after doing this, I will make sure it's goes line with whatever measurement I'm having on the pattern paper. So I'm just trying to trim it properly here. I'm going to be merging both the pattern now and this mesh together. Remember, we've cut the right hand and the left sides now together. So now take the dress, and then I'll be showing you how you will fix it. You'll be fixing the chest line first before attaching the shoulder with this part together. So you'll be fixing it. So you can see the folded area, it's towards the center of the dress. So I'll take this away now. Here is the sleeve part. I already made the bishop sleeve. If you don't know how to make this already, you can check my channel for this tutorial. So I'll go to my machine and sew it and join everything together, and then I'll come back and show you how it is looking. So here is the beads I'll be using for this tutorial. This is a bigger crystal bead, so I won't be using that. So I'm just like selecting the bigger ones out before starting with the beading part of this tutorial. So as you can see, I have like two different type of beads here. I have a crystal and one is pearls. So you can see how brighten and sparkling this is looking. Now I will take the needle I'll be using for this beading. As you can see, it's very tiny one, and I already put this matching thread with the color of the beads I'm using and the cloth as well. So here is how you're gonna be doing this. So here is the dress. As you can see, I already attached the sleeve into the dress and the mesh. You can see how well tailored this is looking. And now I'll just be showing you basically how you can, place each of the beads line by lines. So just pay attention as I take you through this process. So here is the lines. So I'm just going to be showing you how you can achieve this. So you pass this needle underneath towards the wrong side and you bring it outside from the from the right side, as you can see me doing here. So here is the tip of the armhole area from the shoulder, as you can see. So basically I will be counting how many lines I want this to be. So I want like 4 to 5 lines on the shoulder, and then I'll be putting like 2 to 3 on the armhole area. This is the front armhole area I'm talking about. So basically I'll be using up to 8 to 9 lines in total. Please note, while you are passing your needle through the lines, make sure the joining you did for the shoulder is going towards the back side, so it won't be obvious and it will not be showing where your stitches are. So this is the first line of beads. I already added a lot of beads on this first line, so I'll be adding more so it gives me the shape I need. Before inserting it, you be adding it, as you can see, on this same spot where I started from on the other side. So you make sure it is falling and giving the shape you want it to give, so the rest you are adding up later on can go in line with the shape. So what I did, I inserted the needle from the right side through to the wrong side, and then I pass it out. Then you'll be knotting it multiple times on that same area where the beading is, so that you can secure it. That's what I'm doing right now. I don't know if you can see this. So I'll do this like 3 times before knotting the thread, and then I'll follow up again towards the same line, and then I'll start up with another line. So I'll be doing the next lines of the camera, and then I'll come back and show you all how it is looking. As you can see how neatly this is well secured. So I'll start up another line now, and counting it just the way I did the first one. So I'll be putting the second line here. As you can see, I did not cut the thread out, so you have to make sure your thread is so long so you can finish up everything using one So guys, so far I've been able to make these lines. As you can see, this particular one I'll be changing it because it's a bit too tight. That's why it's looking like this, as you can see. So I'll change that particular one, and on the upper area, which is going to be the first inner line, I'm going to be making something closer to the dip of the neck, so it stands as a necklace, because I'm not going to be wearing this with necklace obviously. So I'm just going to be leaving it like so, and then for the rest of the space after this line, I'm going to be adding just 1 or 2 to make it follow line by lines. So that's how I'm going to be leaving this one. Then I'll be attaching another one underneath. So just make sure it's not more than half an inch. And then I'll be attaching another one here. So just to make it look, elegant and unique. Just make sure when you're doing yours, you work according to the beads you're having. You may be working with just three lines. Just make sure if it's going to be 1 inches, if it's going to be half inches, if it's going to be 2 inches, just make sure it's well aligned. And you can also use bigger beads like crystal compared to the size I'm using presently. Depends on your preference actually. So here is the one I made for my clients, and this is a tinier one. This is the size, exactly the same size the one I'm using now. And as you can see again, here is another big size of beads. You can also use it. So far we've come to an end of this tutorial. I'm just going to be doing the finishing for this and show you the end results. Please, if you enjoyed this video so far, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your loved ones, comment below where you're watching this video from, and don't forget to stay tuned because I upload new videos here every week. Kindly subscribe and thank you as you do so. If you're also based in Nigeria, stay safe out there as the protest is still going on. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. See you next time. Bye.